Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is sponsored by Westkisshair, and they sent me this beautiful reddish brown 13x4 wig. This is how the install came out. It was actually a body wave wig, and after bleaching and washing it, I straightened it. And guys, you would think this hair came straight. It did not come straight at all. It was actually curled up, and I washed it and straightened it. And the way how it actually took the straightening, you would think like it was a straight hair. It's not a straight unit. It's actually body wave. But it's just the versatility of the hair for me. This hair was very, very voluptuous. Like, can you guys not tell? Can you guys not tell? Absolutely love this. When I was out today with this wig, everybody was just like, oh my gosh, I love your hair, I love your hair, it's so pretty, I love it, I love it, I love it. Especially the color, like it's literally fall. It's the beginning of fall right now, and you know, browns, all of that, we're ready for it. We're ready for it. But yeah, this is the wig. Let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So the wig came in this bag, obviously, and they sent, so it is 24 inches 13x4, a medium cap. It's 180% density, but trust me, it feels like 200, because for a second I thought it was 200. It's actually thick and flowy. Really thought it was actually 200. They sent me some bonnets, which, you know, I'm going to wear after or when I'm going to my bed. They sent me some headband that I could put around, you know, to hold it down, and some lashes. I have lash on. I have my individual lashes on already, so I don't really need to put anything on, and some baby hair combs. That's all they sent to me inside the package. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. But yeah, let's just jump right into the video. Hey guys, I just did my ball cap method. So my ball cap is ready, and this is the wig. This is how it's looking. This is the color. It's pretty much like a chocolate brown, but a little bit lighter than the chocolate brown, like almost, it's a reddish brown type of color. But yeah, this is how it's looking, and I'm super excited for it because it is fall pretty much, so the fall colors are coming in, and everybody knows brown, reddish brown, auburn, gingerish, those are fall colors, you know, so I'm pretty excited. So I went ahead and I bleached and plucked this wig. I wasn't sure if I was supposed to bleach it, to be honest, because I'm just like, I keep thinking to myself like, do we bleach color hair again? I don't know. But for me, if I see any form of knot showing, like if it's like black knots, I'm going to bleach it regardless of what color it is. And obviously not 613 because knots are not black, but yeah. Yeah, I still wanted to do a little bit of bleaching because this was, to me, I think it was 1B hair and then they colored it to this, but it did come this color. This is how the inside of the wig is looking. And one thing with Westkisshair hair, they always try to give you the full frontal, which is one of the attributes that I love about them. The fact that they always give you what you're supposed to get. So this is a wig. This is how it's looking. I'm gonna go ahead, and this wig is actually full of body. It was actually curly or wavy, but I decided to, after bleaching it and stuff, like wash it out and pretty much just do something new. So this is how it's looking. I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much install it. I'm gonna spray by Even Tinted Lace Spray in light warm brown on it and start the process.
Everything about you, your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you, make me believe.
tryna get me off my Q's and P's. Watch it, why can't losers never lose in peace? Watch it, ain't nobody around me losing sleep. Better find God before he find me. Tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Just tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the cafe, man, dirt, 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 dirt. Drive me a dessert. Just a dab, you lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work,
need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know.
So hey guys, obviously I look different from the processing of the video because I got my lashes done to finish off this video. But anyways, this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would like to thank Westkisshair for sponsoring this video. I am absolutely in love with this wig. The quality of this hair is literally bomb. Like, it feels like 200 density type of wig, and I don't remember if it was 200 density. I'd have to check. Let me see. No, it's not. It's actually 180, but it feels like 200 density. Very thick, very body yaddy yaddy yaddy, like full. And I absolutely love this color. It is fall, so you know we have to get it in. But yeah, this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The links to the wig will be down in the description box, so if you guys want to purchase this wig, then check that out. But for now, this is the end, like I said, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.